Hey guys, come get ready with me.
If you want to see how I go from this to this, then keep watching.
Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are. So as you guys can see, my face is terrible with acne, and I'm just gonna be using the items my dermatologist prescribed me on my face just to start off. Hi, so since we're done with the face, we're just going straight to the hair, and I'm just prepping my forehead with rubbing alcohol for my wig install. And if you guys want to see a more in-depth wig tutorial, then go click the video right underneath this one on my channel. So I'm just cutting some excess lace off so the front of my wig doesn't look ugly. And right after, I'm just tying the front of my edges so it can melt.
So sad. I'm posting this.
I'm just gonna go in with a shimmer color for my eyelids, and after that I'm going in with a soft brown for my crease so my eyes could look a little bit put together, because I'm not really doing a makeup look. I'm just gonna go in with some rubbing alcohol to clean up my forehead to remove some of the leftover glue from the wig. In all honesty, straightening the back of my hair is literally the hardest thing I've ever had to do. Like, no joke.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Bye. I'll see you next time, and have a great and amazing day. Bye.